Right, what's up, traders? Happy Monday. I hope that you guys are starting the week off on a solid note. I for sure am. Yeah, in quick essence, I managed to get some DAX shorts over the line this morning, and I'm going to be taking a 15K withdrawal with Top One Trader. Now you can check them out in the link in my bio, as well as Edgefill and all the stuff over there. But I'm going to show you exactly how I actually managed to do this on a full YouTube video. I'm going to make it tomorrow, so it'll go live on my YouTube channel and up here on Twitter in the next bit. But yeah, nice. You can see over here, I had quite a big trading day. So I'm trading instant funded accounts with Top One Trader. You guys know I love the instant funding at the moment. So I had a $3,000 day basically. So I need to get almost 15K for withdrawal. You can see I managed to get that over the line. The consistency rule of 20%. I got that over the line this morning, South African time, 14:09:04. So really nice day. But let's speak about a few of my trades this morning. So you guys know that I love using opening range and VWAP. Obviously, if I'm trading in the London session, the opening range is going to be at 3 a.m. Eastern time. That is when the London station opens. So pretty simple reads this morning. You guys know I love using the 5 and 15-minute time frames for intraday trading. So we move up higher overnight, but this keeps me wary because markets, particularly US markets, have been at all-time highs, but the DAX not really at all-time highs, but it has been there and thereabout. But basically, we trade underneath. We get popped down on the open. We trade underneath the daily VWAP. We're still underneath the London Open VWAP. And I take my shorts here to the lows. Just trading momentum, in play, in trend, keeping it simple, right? So that was the first trade. Second trade, again, using opening range and VWAP. You guys know I love trading in line with that London Open VWAP for the DAX. Same as the American markets as well, which we'll go over in a bit. But look how these middle of the range trades with the opening range do not work. And you guys will see this more if you guys come join my stream, link in my bio over there. But we keep it simple. Trade in line with VWAP and you'll win a lot more trades, hopefully, as long as you manage risk. Pick a daily loss limit and manage risk and try and end the week green. Take good trades. That's all you really need to do, right? It sounds simple, but that's what I've been doing to take that payout. Middle of the range trades do not work, all right? We get back below the VWAP, London session VWAP, which is this blue one, and daily VWAP, which is the black one, and I take an hour short here, and I get out and qualify for that 15K payout. So if you come over to the Edgefill data as well, the DAX, okay, that first hour, that opening candle continuation report, okay, on the DAX, let's go down to DE30 Euro. They don't have the futures data on this, but you can see over here. If you just go to the London 3 a.m. time, we can see I like looking at the last 3 months to 1 month, more recent data. When that first hour is bearish, 82% of the time we actually close as a bearish closing day. So that kept me confident as well that I was on the right side of the data. Obviously, you guys know I love using my opening range and VWAP as usual. Yes, look at this. This is something that I want to pick up. A lot of traders, because we are trading in all-time high markets on American markets, look how we make lower highs. And I was wary of this. I try and take a short here. I was too heavy on my 50K account. I entered 16 instead of 6. Everyone makes mistakes. So I took a max loss on that 50K account. But I come back and I back it up with some nice NASDAQ shorts on my Tradify accounts, which you can check as well in the link in my bio over here. But I missed that opening range play on my discretional trading. And I have a stop loss at half day. If it comes higher, I know I'm wrong, right? So I have a clear stop loss placement, trading back towards the VWAP. So now I know I always trade in line with the VWAP. But look over here. We break that New York session VWAP when I do take my entry. Trade back. I take profits back at that opening opening back into the opening range and also that daily VWAP as well. So pretty nice trade over there. Also, we did have some discrepancy. ES made, NASDAQ made a new high. ES did not. So kind of like that divergence. And yeah, a solid trading day. And we'll take that. We'll take that to start the week. 15K payout banked. If you want to trade live with me every single day, we do have a code for a free month using the code FIRST. Link is in my bio or the QR code there as well. But I'm trading using that opening range and New York session VWAP or London session VWAP, but just trade, keeping it simple. I'm trading. You guys have seen here. I post these every single day. I get on here. I explain my trades every single day for you guys. Trading in line with these session VWAPs is going to keep you on the right side of trend. Then you just got to pick a daily loss limit and manage risk. I hope that you guys had a good start to your Monday. We'll see you all on the desk tomorrow on my live stream, New York session open. Have a good one, guys. Cheers.